Are you tired of your laptop overheating during those intense gaming sessions or long work hours? You're not alone. The struggle is real. Heat buildup not only slows down your device, but it can also lead to costly repairs in the long run. Luckily, we have the solution. In this article, we will break down the top 5 laptop cooling pads that are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their laptop's performance and extend its lifespan. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a dedicated content creator, or just someone who uses their laptop for daily tasks, we have something for everyone. Let's dive into these cooler than cool products that promise to keep your device chill and ready to tackle anything you throw at it. 5. Ice Corel Gaming Laptop Cooling Pad with 8 cooling fans. Laptop fan cooler pad for 617, 17.3 inch. Notebook cooler stand with 6. Height adjustable RGB cooling pad with 2 USB port plus phone stand. If you're a gaming enthusiast or someone who pushes their laptop to the limits, you absolutely need the Ice Corel Gaming Laptop Cooling Pad in your arsenal. This powerhouse features a whopping 8 cooling fans that deliver unparalleled airflow to keep your laptop at an optimal temperature, enhancing performance during those intense gaming marathons or heavy workloads. Built to accommodate laptops ranging from 15 to 17.3 inches, it boasts 6 adjustable height settings, ensuring you find the perfect angle for both comfort and cooling efficiency. Aesthetically, the RGB lighting adds a stylish flair that not only looks cool but also sets the mood for gaming. With 2 convenient USB ports, you can power your devices without any hassle, and the built-in phone stand keeps your essential gadget within reach. With an impressive 4.4-star rating from over 7,000 users, it's clear this cooling pad is a favorite among gamers and professionals alike. Pros include efficient cooling, ergonomic design, and aesthetic appeal. Cons: some users report noise from the fans. This product is best suited for gamers and heavy laptop users seeking to extend their device's lifespan and improve performance. 4. Laptop cooling pad, laptop cooler with 6 quiet LED fans for 15.67 inches, laptop cooling fan stand, portable, ultra slim, USB powered gaming laptop cooling pad, switch control fan, speed function. Keep in mind that you can actually do some cooling on the switch for this too. If you're looking to keep your laptop cool while gaming or working, the Star laptop cooling pad is a game changer. This sleek and ultra slim cooling pad features 6 powerful yet quiet LED fans that effectively dissipate heat and enhance your laptop's performance, especially for devices ranging from 15.6 to 17 inches. The standout feature is its unique fan speed control, allowing you to adjust the fan speed according to your needs, from a gentle breeze to a powerful airflow. Not only is it built for efficiency with a large hollow design for heat dissipation, but it's also portable enough to slide into your backpack. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it easy to use in any setting, whether you're at a desk or gaming on the couch. With a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 reviews, users rave about its functionality and convenience, making it ideal for gamers and professionals spending long hours on their laptops. However, do keep in mind that some users noted it may not fit excessively thick laptop. In summary, the Star laptop cooling pad is perfect for those who value both performance and portability in their tech gear. Keep your laptop cool and efficient. Discover the laptop cooling pad now. 3. KBN upgraded gaming laptop cooler pad with 9 quiet RGB fans cooling pad for 15.6, 17.3 inch laptops with 7 height stands, 2 USB ports, phone and blue. If you're a serious gamer or frequently use a high performance laptop, the KBN upgraded gaming laptop cooler pad with 9 quiet RGB fans is the perfect solution to keep your laptop cool and performing at its best. Designed for laptops ranging from 15.6 to 17.3 inches, this cooler pad packs a powerful punch with its 9 cooling fans that operate at a max speed of 2600 RPM, ensuring efficient airflow to prevent overheating. The adjustable 7 height stands allow you to find the perfect angle for comfort and ergonomics, while the built-in phone stand and dual USB ports provide added convenience for your gaming or work setup. Plus, with 10 RGB color modes, you can customize your aesthetic to match your rig style. One standout feature is the quiet operation of the fans, making it suitable for both intensive gaming and regular use without the distraction of loud noise. The pros include excellent cooling performance, ergonomic design, and customization options, while the cons might be its relatively larger size for portability. This cooling pad shines for gamers and professionals who demand high performance from their laptops, ensuring they can maintain optimal performance during long sessions. 2. QTech laptop cooling pad, laptop cooler with 5 quiet fans for 12 o'clock. Computer, PC, notebook, gaming, laptop fan, height adjustable laptop cooling stand, laptop accessories, blue. When it comes to keeping your laptop cool and performing at its best, the GadInsider laptop cooling pad is a standout option that shouldn't be overlooked. Designed for laptops ranging from 12 to 17 inches, this cooling pad features an impressive 5 quiet fans that operate at 1400 RPM and 2400 RPM, providing strong heat dissipation that efficiently directs airflow right where it's needed. One of its most outstanding qualities is the adjustable height settings with 6 levels, promoting ergonomic comfort and reducing neck strain, ideal for long hours of work or gaming. The metal mesh surface not only enhances heat dissipation, but also adds durability, making it a reliable partner during intense computational tasks. Alongside its functional design, users will appreciate the dual USB ports for additional device connectivity and the anti-slip stoppers that ensure your laptop stays securely in place. Priced at an affordable $19.79 and boasting a solid 4.4-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, the GadInsider cooling pad offers incredible value. However, it's worth noting some potential drawbacks. While effective, the LED lighting cannot be turned off independently of the fans, which some users may find distracting. This cooling pad is best suited for gamers, content creators, and professionals who require their laptops to maintain optimal performance during demanding tasks without overheating.
1. Habit HV F2056 15.6 by 17 laptop cooler.
If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your laptop cool, the Habit HVF205615617 laptop cooler is a top contender in the market. With its sleek black and blue design, this portable cooling pad features 3 powerful fans that efficiently draw heat away from your laptop, resulting in enhanced performance during gaming sessions or demanding workloads. We are giving only 1.2 pounds, it's ultra potable, making it easy to carry wherever you go. One of the standout qualities of this cooling pad is its ergonomic design, which allows for adjustable height levels, providing a comfortable typing and gaming environment. You'll also appreciate its quiet operation, ensuring the sounds of cooling don't distract your work or play. With 2 USB ports, the Habit cooling pad allows you to connect extra peripherals like a mouse or keyboard without sacrificing valuable laptop ports. However, it's worth noting that the fan speed is not adjustable and the LED indicators cannot be turned off independently. This makes the Habit HAVIT F2056 ideal for laptop users who experience overheating during extended use, including gamers, professionals in high-performance computing, or anyone looking to prolong their device's lifespan. At an attractive price of $22.39 and an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 4,200 reviews, it strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Looking for the best products to make business travel smoother, more efficient, and even enjoyable? Dive into Beyond the Briefcase, your go-to source for honest, practical reviews crafted specifically for people like you. Don't settle for guesswork. Get the insider scoop now.